Welcome back to another breathtaking journey into the world's most extraordinary villas. Today we're traveling to the heart of the Mediterranean, to a sun-soaked island rich with history, charm, and luxury. Welcome to Villa Valetta in Malta. Perched along the limestone cliffs overlooking the sapphire waters of the Mediterranean Sea, Villa Valetta is more than a home. It's a living masterpiece shaped by centuries of Maltese heritage. As you approach the estate, the stone exterior immediately captures your attention. Built from warm, honey-colored Maltese limestone, the villa glows gold under the Mediterranean sun, giving it a timeless, royal appearance. Step through the grand archway entrance, and you're greeted by a courtyard inspired by traditional European palazzos. Terracotta tiles, fountains carved from stone, and climbing bougainvillea create an atmosphere that blends history with relaxation. The courtyard opens into expansive glass doors leading to the main hall, an interior designed with a balance of old-world elegance and modern luxury. Inside, towering ceilings, carved wooden beams, and polished marble floors create a palace-like feel. Antique chandeliers hang above open lounge areas filled with handcrafted furniture, art pieces from local Maltese artisans, and Mediterranean color palettes: cream, coral, aqua, and gold. Every window frames views of the coast, cliffs, or terraced gardens. The villa has multiple living areas spread across several wings. One of the highlights is the panoramic salon, with floor-to-ceiling arches opening to the sea. Here, guests enjoy sunsets that look like paintings, the sky glowing purple, peach, and red over the quiet waves. Now let's talk about the heart of Mediterranean living, the outdoor spaces. Villa Valletta's terraces are built in cascading layers carved into the hillside. Each level has its own charm: outdoor lounges shaded by pergolas, dining decks with stone ovens, and private balconies wrapped in flowers. The infinity pool appears to pour directly into the sea, reflecting the sky and coast below. At night, lanterns and underwater lights transform the pool area into a dreamlike setting. Another iconic feature is the wine gallery. Carved into the rock beneath the villa, it maintains a natural, cool climate perfect for rare Mediterranean wines. Some collections stored here date back more than 150 years, making it both a luxury addition and a historical archive. Bedrooms in Villa Valetta are designed for views and comfort. Each suite includes vintage furnishings, hand-woven rugs, limestone walls, and private terraces. Bathrooms feature marble sinks, deep-soaking tubs, and arched windows overlooking the gardens or ocean. The master suite even has a stone balcony suspended over the cliffside. Perfect for sunrise breakfasts or starlit evenings, the garden areas reflect classic Mediterranean design. Olive trees, citrus orchards, lavender rows, and hidden seating nooks create a resort-like feeling on private land. Paths lead to a pergola-covered pavilion where guests can enjoy sea breeze yoga, reading, or quiet reflection. Though rich in heritage, the villa seamlessly integrates modern technology, hidden climate control. Smart lighting, underground parking, and private security systems are built into the structure invisibly, preserving its classic appearance. What truly makes Villa Valetta iconic is its ability to merge history with modern luxury. Malta itself is home to some of the oldest architecture in the world, and this villa respects that legacy while offering a lifestyle reserved for the elite. From celebrities to political figures and art collectors, only a select few have stepped behind its gates. With a current valuation reaching tens of millions of dollars, Villa Valetta is considered one of the most desirable private estates in the Mediterranean. It offers what money can rarely buy: heritage, scenery, artistry, privacy, and a timeless sense of grandeur. And that's the story of Villa Valetta, an architectural jewel carved from Maltese tradition and polished by Mediterranean luxury. If you enjoyed this journey, stay tuned. More stunning villas are coming your way.